Hello, what's up there, YouTubers? This video is about a no start condition. The fuel pump apparently quit working. Well, as it seemed like it quit working, but that was not the issue. I checked the fuel module driver. I checked the relays. It had intermittent ignition, so it would start sometimes and it would shut right back off, and other times it would run for a couple miles or so. I was stranded on the side of the road. I called AAA to come get me. Looking up things and trying different things on Google, I tapped on the fuel driver module I had replaced last year, and it started. So it kind of fooled me a little bit, making me think it was that again. So I went ahead and went to the parts store, forked out another $130 for that part, threw it on, no start, same thing. So I called AAA. AAA is on their way to come get me, and I pop a relay out, starts right up again. This time it stays running a little longer. I'm thinking, I got it. I call AAA back up, say, truck's running, no problem, good to go. Well, 3 miles down the road, shuts back down again, doesn't start back up. Shit. Now I'm calling AAA back. This time I'm having it brought to the garage. The garage spent all afternoon on this. Diagnostics, fuel rail pressure test, and couldn't figure it out right away. One of the mechanics has happened to be looking into real well on the passenger side, and this is what they saw. I don't know if you can see that. Get a good look at that there. That is a ground wire that goes right into the main harness. From the main harness, grounds to the frame. Apparently the bolt had rotted, broke off, and that ground was left hanging. Had no idea. $218 bill to clean up that ground and put a new bolt on it. So you get that no start issue again, you might want to check that ground wire. This is a 05 F150 FX4 5.4 liter. I'm out.